Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you exactly how to resize an image inside Notion, step by step. Whether you're putting together a stunning personal dashboard, a professional portfolio, or just want your pages to look a little more polished, mastering image resizing in Notion can make a world of difference. By the end of this video, you'll know not just how to add images, but how to adjust their size perfectly so your Notion pages look clean and intentional. Let's dive right in. First, let's talk about adding the image itself. In Notion, you'll start by typing image directly in your workspace, that's /, then the word image. As soon as you do this, Notion pops up an option for you to add an image block. This is a handy shortcut and it's much faster than hunting around in the menus. Now you have two choices here. You can either upload an image from your computer or select one from an existing gallery or online source. Just tap the upload button if you have a specific file saved locally. For example, maybe you want to show off a photo from your last trip or upload your company logo. Alternatively, you can paste in a link or select something you've already used before. Take a moment to find the image you want, don't rush it, because the right image really sets the tone for your Notion page. After your image is uploaded, you'll see it sitting nicely in your Notion document. But let's say you want to adjust the size so it fits just right with your text or other content. Here, where resizing comes in. Move your cursor close to the edge of the image. Typically, you'll spot a small bar or a handle, usually on one of the sides or corners of the image. When you hover over it, your cursor will change to indicate that you can grab and adjust the image size. Just click and hold that bar or handle, then slowly drag in or out, depending on whether you want the image smaller or larger. It's a very intuitive tactile motion, almost like stretching out a photo in a physical album but with pixels. Don't worry if it takes a second. Sometimes getting the size just right for your layout might need a little tweaking. You might notice Notion's snapping effect, gently helping you align the image with other blocks. Think of it as a helpful guide, so your image won't end up weirdly floating away from everything else. As you resize, keep an eye on how the image interacts with your text and nearby blocks. You want balance, so if the image starts to overpower your page or look too cramped, just adjust a bit more. For instance, if you're working on a recipe page, a medium-sized image of your dish draws attention, but doesn't steal the spotlight from the instructions. On a portfolio, a larger photo might do a better job showing off detail. There's no one-size-fits-all rule here, so spend a moment to make sure everything feels harmonious. And that's really all there is to it. Adding and resizing images in Notion is super straightforward once you know where to look for the controls. Don't worry if it takes a couple of tries to get the size exactly how you want. Each Notion page is different, and tweaking things until it feels right is just part of the creative process. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that like button. And if you have any questions about Notion or want to see more tips and tricks, just drop a comment below. I love hearing from you all and helping you solve problems. Don't forget to subscribe for more easy, practical Notion tutorials that help you make your workspace beautiful and efficient. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.